I'm Paul Perkins with a check of your ag weather. After highs top out in the low to mid-90s this afternoon, we'll see clouds increase and highs not as warm in the mid-80s to the low 90s tomorrow. A few thunderstorms may get started in western locations tomorrow morning, right near a trough of low pressure. Otherwise, thunderstorms quickly develop from the eastern panhandle to eastern Colorado tomorrow afternoon, tracking to the east and southeast later in the afternoon and evening. There is a marginal risk of severe storms, a level 1 of 5 from central and northeastern Nebraska into northwest and north central Kansas. Hazards include gusty winds and small hail. Most locations can expect rain amounts of a quarter to half inch, but areas between highways 83 and 183 in Nebraska may see up to an inch and a quarter. Lower chances of occasional thunderstorms continue for the weekend through Wednesday when storms form across the west and track to the east, mostly in the late day and overnight. A cold front keeps our highs for Saturday through Wednesday in the mid-80s to the low 90s. Latest long-term forecast indicates seasonal temperatures for most of Nebraska Tuesday through July 16th, while south central and southeastern Nebraska, along and south of I-80 into all of Kansas, can expect cooler than normal temperatures. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall likely to be above normal Tuesday through July 16th. Those higher chances of rain the middle to late part of next week. Regional drought monitor shows Nebraska increased 5 percentage points to 5% drought-free. It's drought-free from Perkins to Chase County and Platte to Burke County. There's an increasing amount of locations that are now abnormally dry, which includes from around the Tri-Cities northward and much of northeastern Nebraska, also from Cherry to Lincoln County in the southwest corner, along with the southeast corner. Coverage of moderate to severe drought decreased 15 percentage points to 62% of Nebraska, to still include much of central and east central Nebraska, as well as the Panhandle. Kansas improved 2 percentage points to 69% drought-free. There are still many locations along and north of I-70 that are abnormally dry. Coverage of moderate to severe drought decreased 3 percentage points to 8% of Kansas, to include locations from Oberlin to Hoxie and Phillipsburg, around Lincoln, and Concordia to Marysville. Key weather factors influencing the markets include active weather continuing across the U.S. and dry patches in the Canadian prairies, Europe, the Black Sea region, and Australia. Chances of a tropical cyclone near the southern Atlantic coast by early next week increasing to 60%, where 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 4 inches or more from Florida to the coastal Carolinas. A strong monsoon flow of moisture maintains rainy weather from the southwest to large areas of the Rockies, Plains, and upper Midwest, where 5-day rainfall in many areas could reach around 1 to 3 inches. Next week to the following weekend, rain also expected across the northern half of the U.S. Across the southern and eastern wheat areas of the Canadian prairies, many areas are likely to be missed by scattered rain. For Europe's corn areas being stressed by drier conditions, rain becomes more widespread this weekend into next week, but mostly in northern areas. Towards the Black Sea region, rain next week likely to favor only western locations. Australia, that's been very dry during wheat establishment, expects improving rain chances the next week and increasing rainfall during the upcoming reproductive stage. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.